It's your boy Tyler here, back with another minute man. Right, today I'm with my boys. This is Ross and that's my brother Jake.
Pretty sure they know us by now.
You gotta let them know, man, you know what I'm saying? Right, today what we're gonna be doing is that my boy has bought a K&M filter for his Audi A3 Tfsi 1.4. So what we're gonna be doing first is obviously rev it so you can hear the turbo and stuff like that on a standstill. And then we'll do drive-bys, then fit it, and then do exactly the same after that. Innit? That's what we got to do, boys.
Pretty much. Mechanics here, boys.
Whoa, man. Right, I'll see. I don't know what I was about to say. Right, he was getting gas. He bought it. When? When did you buy it? Tuesday.
Picked up.
Waited all day. We got this boy's exhaust done. You're so dead ugly, man.
No, I ain't dead ugly, man. You lot are both mongrel, yeah?
Oh, man.
I'm the buff one.
Right, let's cut to it, boys. Let's go, man.
Yeah,
We're out.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes.
Right, I'm with the boys. I'll see what we'll be doing. Right now what we're doing is we took the head off the old air filter. The filter we've just took out and we've put the old one there. Even though it's still clean, you'll see he's not that long had a service, but he's had enough with all this box standard stuff now. Now all we're doing is literally going to take the bottom and the rest of it, and that's it.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days
Right, no, obviously let's explain. So what have you done now, boys?
So we've taken out, we've undone it by the rubber grommets here.
Yep.
The airflow from the engine into the air filter itself, so the direct flow, that's been disconnected. The actual air filter's come out, so we're now in the process of disconnecting the pipe, removing the housing, and then it's in with a new K&M filter.
Cool.
Where's the pliers?
What's that, Ross? What have you had, mate?
I'm saying get this out without trying to get the screw in from here. Let's take this out first.
Cool. Right, let's get with it.
Yeah? I'll support you.
Right, now what we're doing is pulling the rest of the air filter box out. Here we go. And that is that, boys. Now you're left with a big ass hole, boy. Rah. Basically what you'll be doing now is that with your new K&M filter box, you'll be taking it apart, like as in what Ross has just done, take the top end off, so you're left with the bottom, and then we're going to be plugging that with the tube, and then that's the first steps we're starting with. So alright boys, this is what we've done. So boys, explain. So obviously because they done it, I'm just the cameraman, to be honest.
And this knobhead didn't charge his camera properly. Yeah.
So go on, explain one of yours. So basically,
I don't know where we got up to before.
So we got up to the bit where before we installed the cone.
So we basically we popped up little mounts back on.
Yep.
And here done the other screw back up, where you had to take out a little metal bit from the other side to see if it fits in. Otherwise, your screw's just going to fall through.
Cool.
Got the screws on. Got the
tube back on tight. The flow into the engine is there. We have put a case on top of it, but we will show you the cone in a little while. But it's just obviously just the design of what K&N have sent over into their packages. But yeah, let's see what it sounds like.
Go boy, look, get it,
It's getting weird.
Trust me, apparently it's supposed to sound mental. Look. That's mad, isn't it? Well, that's fucking mad.
Is he still? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Wait now.
We're now gonna undo the top
Right.
cap.
We're going to do the top cap. Look at that bad boy. Look at the size of that, look. So if I zoom out, look. Whoa, mate. That's bigger than mine, I'll tell you.
That's my hand, boy.
That's definitely bigger than mine. So what we do, give it a rev to see it without the top in. Oh, look, it's going to sound nuts. I told you, mate. It sounds so much. It sounds so much better. And no, now, like what the bloke was saying.
Wait. So basically, it's down to yourself whether you want to keep the box on top.
Yeah.
Personally, by our reactions, it sounds a lot better.
How much does it move?
It didn't move at all.
But obviously, as you can tell, it sounds a hell of a lot better with it off. And
Yeah.
it's going to perform a hell of a lot better with it off. But down to preference, if you want that
Yeah.
on there, you want it as
Yeah.
well.
Now.
In about 20 minutes.
Why can't I feel like a difference though?
I know.
Feels like $30. Well, that's hard though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Man, that's mad. I'm not even gonna actually cap. That's like, I can actually feel a power difference though. Do you know what, actually big shout out to K&N filter kits though, man. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually rapid. Bro.
Mate, I'm actually gassed about it as well. So this one we're taking.
Yeah, it's up to you. It's up to you, man. You used to live around here, boy.
Yeah, well, I forgot, mate.
You can hear that. That's mad, isn't it?
Trust me, man. I'm gassed about it. Every time I'm like tearing, like, ooh.
That is mad.
Oh, mate.
Bro, I wouldn't say this ain't a waste of money, no way. Whoa.
Mate, it pulls so much quicker. Oh shit.
We gotta get that fucking. We gotta get that sound without the windows, all the windows.
I can't see shit out of this, man.
Yeah, man, that's banging. Man, that's mad, mate. I'm telling you that.
It's the noise of the turbo.
That's mad. And that's really it. That's all we can say now, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Is we do appreciate, obviously, you lot commenting what you think of our cars and stuff like that, and how we can help you, how we can help you out. But yeah, at the end of the day, obviously, we're doing what we like doing, liking it, and this is what we appreciate, isn't it?
Yeah, man. We appreciate all the support.
We'll keep putting more work in. Oh, okay. We'll keep putting more work into these cars. We'll keep giving you heads up, obviously, what we'll be doing to our cars. We've just obviously done this K&N filter for him. We will go stage 2 and stuff like that in the meanwhile, but the first thing what we'll be doing is obviously the looks. Go for the looks. We might put spoilers and stuff like that on it, change the wheel colours, the lot, and yeah, so we'll keep your heads up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We keep grinding it. Right.
Of course, man.
We're out.